Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this very long unit from Main Concept. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Main Concept, and this is a part of their Barbie series line. And this unit is 40 inches in length. So as you all can tell here, it is very, very long. And she is so beautiful and so silky looking. But before I get into my thoughts, let me get into the specs of this unit. So this unit is a 40-inch unit. It is only a middle part unit, and it has 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And it's only a middle part unit, so there's no other lace. It's not a 13x4 or anything like that. It's just a middle part lace with ear-to-ear lace. And it does come with baby hairs. Now the color that I am rocking is the FR1B/rainbow. So as you all can tell, it is a frame and highlight type of unit, and the frame and highlight is all in this rainbow color, which I absolutely love, and it's so pretty yet subtle. And I do like how the colors are incorporated here. And of course, this wig comes in a variety of other colors, like it's right here. And as you all can tell, that red is everything, and I really love that red also. So it does come in other colors as well. Now, in terms of any cons, I don't have any cons. Just know that with longer units, it will tangle at the ends because of how super long this is. So don't look at it as a flaw. Look at it as the fact that it is a very long unit. So it is expected with super long units like these. So if you are interested, please look down in the description box down below so you all can go ahead and purchase this unit. I will provide all the links I can find. It's not on Amazon as far as I saw thus far. So if it is in the future, I will definitely let you all know. But there's no Amazon links to this unit, and I will look through all of the beauty supplies. I'm sure they have it, and it is super long, and I do love how this looks. The color, the little hint of color right here is very nice also. So this is definitely one of those units you can use at any time, and it can rock it with any color. So that's what I like about these types of units. So thank you so much, Main Concept, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.